Welcome to Redline Channel Automotive. It's probable that the 2026 Infiniti QX50 will receive a makeover or possibly a new generation. Perhaps with a more contemporary design, such a new mesh pattern or distinct chrome highlights. Infiniti's iconic double-arch grille will continue to be a prominent component, with an upgraded interior design, maybe including more sophisticated lighting technologies like LED matrix or adaptive headlights. The human eye-like LED headlights that are a hallmark of Infiniti design will probably remain, perhaps with a more modern, aerodynamic interpretation. The QX50's body shape with its flowing lines and graceful curves will continue to be a component of its design language. As a visually distinctive feature, the distinctive crescent-shaped seat filler design is probably going to be kept. The inside will probably still have a sophisticated, passenger-focused design with smooth lines and premium materials. The dashboard will probably be redesigned with a more user-friendly button structure and smoother screen integration. A color-changing ambient lighting system to create a posh and unique ambience. Seats with heating, cooling, and potentially massage capabilities that are intended to be as comfortable as possible on lengthy trips. According to market trends, the 2026 QX50 is probably going to have two infotainment systems or a large touchscreen that combines a number of entertainment and car features. Multiple USB outlets, wireless charging, and smartphone connection, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Premium audio systems from well-known companies like Bose will probably be available. Driver information may be customized on a full digital display. On the windshield, the head-up display HUD displays important data including speed and navigation. There are a few potential engine options for the 2026 Infiniti QX50, however nothing has been confirmed. With the possibility of slight power or efficiency gains, the Infiniti is expected to stick with its tried and true 2.0 LVC turbo engine. It's probable that Infiniti will launch a hybrid version of the QX50 in 2026, given the trend toward electrification in the automotive sector. This might be a full hybrid or mild hybrid, which would combine an electric motor and a gasoline engine to lower pollution and increase fuel economy. According to sources, Infiniti is preparing a strategy change and may base some of its upcoming vehicles on a new Nissan platform, although a full electric option is unlikely to be offered for the 2026 QX50. Other powertrain options, like as a plug-in hybrid PHEV or even a full electric BEV option in the future, are possible if the 2026 QX50 is constructed on a new platform.